Alexa, what time is it?
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
But Alexa, play my playlist. Ah, okay.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
So if you're getting this error on your Alexa, just know that it's nothing wrong with her. Um,
Sorry, I'm
I
having
know,
trouble
I know.
understanding right
I'm
now.
talking to the
Please
camera.
try a little later.
All right, stop it. So, anyways, it just means that your internet is down. Um, and of course, right now it shows the blinking means my internet's down. So there's nothing wrong with the Alexa. It's probably an issue with your internet connection. So what you're going to need to do
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now. Please try a little later.
is to check your connection and make sure that you're getting internet, and that should solve your problem. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe.